So many guns, so little time. Spending some quality time with my bro, Guy Matthews. Shooting at things like old concrete pillars, aluminum siding, and other targets. But when it's your property, what the hell? You can shoot what you want. All right, so we got a Springfield 03 3006 we're about to blow away some stuff with, right?
Right.
Let's see what we can do.
We ready?
Ready.
Anytime?
Yeah. Savage 303. Stevens 22-410 over under. Winchester 3840.
Damn, I can't see.
Wow, some nice shooting. And that 25 caliber really put in some damage to that guy. I had no idea 25 caliber could do that much damage.
$25 German engineering, yeah!
Yeah.